Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because Dent coin is on the trending, and definitely you could see here in last 7 days very huge profit they will get now. 12.41% the price is increasing now, my friend. This is not a short jump, my friend. It's a very huge pump, but after a very long time. As you can see here, my friend, absolutely this coin is on the trending on Twitter, absolutely, my friend, especially in UK. So therefore, my friend, when the price will increasing, so that's mean, my friends, so this coin team is doing very hard work, and especially if a short-term investor are starting holding, so this is possible to every coin will pumps up. So kindly holder, I just notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold now, otherwise you will lose now and you will not get a profit. So my friends, my opinion, my prediction, absolutely, my opinion in this video I'm going to share. But please, if you are new to my channel, I have request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for video notification. So if we check out, my friend, the last 3 days chart, in last 3 days, my friends, they will get a 7.5% profit. It's mean to in last 3 days they will very fastly increase now, and definitely, my friend, you can see here they will also hit the resistance line. So therefore, my friend, if some coin, my friend, will hit the resistance line, so that's clear, my friends, too, they will get a very good profit. And if they were fails down from resistance line, so they will never get a profit, and they will fails down more and more. So my friend, remember to, if they were fails down, so they cannot give you a profit. And when they were fails down, when a holder are starting selling, so therefore please hold now, don't starting selling. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, Dent coin holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative and urgent updates videos.